Hello, in this video we will discuss about the T cell activation. So we will just understand about their mechanism as well as their function of the T cell. So basically here I am drawing the person which contains circulatory system and lymphatic system. So the circulatory system is contained as blood circulation, and in this way their innate immune cell are present in the circulatory system, while the lymphatic system contain the lymph node, and this lymphatic system contain a lymph inside is the fluid, and that will be continuously circulate and filter the whole process. In this way the subclavian vein which that drain this fluid for balance. So here I am drawing the pathogen which that will infect the tissue. So after the infection of the tissue inside of the person, so the phagocytosis will be occur by the toll-like receptor of the dendritic cell, immature dendritic cell. So after the recognition, it will be phagocytosis, and in this way, the phagocytosed dendritic cell will be antigen processing induction of MHC class 2 as well as the B7 molecule, which that is the recognition molecule, and in this way, the MHC class 2 and B7 will be produced. Anyhow, in this way, the pro inflammatory mediators will be produced. What that means? That means it is used for the recruitment of the macrophage and natural killer cell, as well as, sorry, not natural killer cell, but macrophage, monocyte, and neutrophil, basophil, and mast cell. So the cytokines and chemokines and interleukin 12, which that is used for it, and that will be moved into the circulatory system. After the movement into the circulatory system for recruitment of the innate immune response for the complete infection clearance. So in this way, here is the antigen presenting cell or dendritic cell will convert into the antigen presenting cell contain a P7 molecule and MSC class 2 molecules, the major histocompatible molecule. So the migration of antigen laden dendritic cell through afferent lymphatic to a draining lymph node. So the lymph node toward the lymph node. So it is the afferent, not efferent but afferent. In this way it is moved toward the lymph. So in this way here you can see this will go into the lymph node, and here the lymph node is the residence of the B cell and naive T cell. So the naive T cell is not educated, but the dendritic cell will educate and give the target. In this way here you can see this is a B7 molecule will bind with a CD28, and the MSC class 2 molecule will bind with a T cell receptor as well as CD4. For example, if T helper cell, while in the case of the T CD8, which that is the different for the cytotoxic. So produce also cytokines for the binding, and after the binding is with the cytokines, it means it will be moved toward the infection site. So the antigen peptide will be represented by MSC class 2 molecules. So here is the naive T cell. So let's begin to understand the immunological synapse between the dendritic cell, antigen presenting cell, and the T cell. So here is the MSC class 2 molecule which represent the peptides piece of the antigen, and the T cell receptor will be received. So here is the CD3 which that is bind with the another. I am not drawing that part, just you should understand about that. FYN protein will stimulate after the phosphorylation of the CD3. And here is the tyrosine kinase, a tyrosine receptor, which that is the basically the tyrosine kinase enzyme used to the phosphorylation of the tyrosine. After the phosphorylation, the ZAP17 will be bind after this phosphorylation. So this is the cascade of the phosphorylation will be occur through kinase enzyme. So the tyrosine kinase enzyme will attract will toward here, and in this way here is the adapter protein tyrosine kinase enzyme will promote the phosphorylation of the adapter protein, And after the phosphorylation, there are many attraction will be occur. There are many protein, for example, PIP2, which that's convert into the DAG, diacylglycerol, from the phosphoinositol pyrophosphate. So in this way, here is the phospholipase C enzyme used for the gamma, used for the and the production of the RAS, RAC pathway and MAP kinase pathway cascades, and on the other hand, the diacylglycerol in the present protein kinase C with the multiple protein cascades, and the PIP3 will be produced, which that increase the calcium from the endoplasmic reticulum and the calcineurin activation to bind. This will lead to transcription of cytokines and chemokines and cytokines and the receptor. On the other hand, the receptor genes. So this is the activation of transcription factors including necrotic factor kappa B and NF80 and AP1. So in this way, this is the T cell CD4 positive T cell. It means it is the helper cell and it is used for the helping of the immune system. It will recruit and help to produce the antibody. So this is the cell mediated immunity, because the humoral immunity basically is the another which that not required the other fluid in the blood circulatory system, but the cell mediated immunity will help and to require the antibodies for infection clearance. So in this way, here is the growth, proliferation, and cytokines production and B cell activation, B memory cell and plasma cell through a naive B cell, which that is activated by CD4 after the maturation of the CD4. So on the other hand, here is the CD4 positive T cell, which that is produced after the recognition and activation to produce interleukin 12 and interleukin 4. This interleukin 12 and interleukin 4, which that activate the TH0 cell, T helper 0 cell, and on the other hand, the interleukin 12 is also recruit the natural killer cell, dendritic cell, and macrophage. So we will discuss also. Here is the TH1, which that is also activated by TH0, and the TH2, which that is activate the to each other through interferon gamma and interleukin 4 and 10, which that is basically required for it. You can see in this diagram. And on the other hand, the TH1 and TH2 cells can inhibit each other also. So here is the interleukin 2, interferon gamma, interferon beta, and which that stimulate to immunoglobulin IgG antibodies response. So it will give the response. On the other hand, the TH2, which that is interleukin 4, interleukin 5, and interleukin 10, interleukin 13, which that is stimulate the antibody production, IgE. And these cells help in cell-mediated immunity. And cell-mediated immunity primarily CD8 positive T cells, natural killer cells, and macrophage, which that is recruited through it. And here is the natural killer cell, dendritic cell, and macrophage, which we recruit through interleukin 12. And this is the infectious agent which that stimulate the natural killer cell and dendritic cell and macrophage. After the infectious agent will be recognized, and in this way the natural killer cell, dendritic cell, and macrophage will go toward the CD4 T cell through interleukin 12, which that is produced from the CD4, and the interleukin 12 is used for the wanting to recruitment. So here the T and B cell cooperate in the evolution of the immune response to an antigen through the process of linked recognition. So the linked recognition will be occur. Here is the B cell, for example, and this is the immunoglobulin attached, and here is the MSC class 2 molecule are present with the B cell and antigen recognition through a antigen specific receptor. So after the specificity, so antigen process to peptides in acid vesicle. So in acid vesicle will be formed, and in this way degradation and process peptides associated with MSC class 2 traffic to B cell surface. So in this way the trafficking to B cell surface for the recognition, and further this function will be occur. And in this way the basically the B cell will be show the antigen, and in this way that after the showing the antigen for the production of antibodies. And on the other hand the cytotoxic T cell, which that is basically produce or CD8 positive T cell, which that is here you can see the apoptosis of the infected cell to death. And in this way here is the recognition through MSC class 2 molecules and FASL and FAS, which they are interconnected and link and talk to each other, and the T cell receptor as well as the MSC class 2 molecule with the CD8 molecule will bind and recognize to produce perforin and grain enzyme for the killing directly into the infected cells. So that is why. And on the other hand here you can see this is the antigen after the recognition from the antigen presenting cell phagocytosis, and MSC class 2 molecule will activate the virus specific CD4 positive T cell, and this is the virus specific, so it will be developed for the virus specificity. So the CD4, and it produces the interleukin 2, and that interleukin 2 will proliferate CD8 cell and CD8 virus specific CD8 T cell. This is the specific, and in this way the virus infected cell will be killed through cytotoxic T cell and the MSC class 1 molecule, and viral peptides will be shown. And in this way after the recognition will be complete, so this is the activation and differentiation of CD8 T cell and the kill the infected cell. So this was the T cell activation overview about this video. So please make sure to subscribe, like, share and share if you like this video. Thanks, bye.